you need to draw the larger portion, which is the square plate. So dimension of a square plate is given here. The width of the square plate is 50 mm and the height of a square plate is 10 mm. Okay, so first I will draw the square plate. Okay, then there is a cylinder, okay, that is pierced through the square plate. Okay, and the diameter of the cylinder is 30 mm. So what I will do is I will first make the square of a 30 mm side whose center is same as the center of the square plate. Okay, then I can draw the circle inside the plate. Okay, then you can see here the upper part of the cylinder, which is above the plate, has a height of 30 mm. So what I will do is I will draw the generator of the cylinder, and at the top I can also draw the circle. Okay, and the that portion which is not visual to you, you can remove that part. So here you can see the total height of the cylinder is 70 mm. You have already drawn the 30 mm portion. So the what uh, can you do from here, that you can extend in this line uh, having the total length of 70 mm. This particular line having the total length of 70 mm. The similar way you can extend this line. Okay, these two lines having the total length of 70 mm. So here you can draw the circle. Okay, for that you need to first draw the square of a 30 mm sides. After drawing that, uh, you can easily draw the circle at the bottom of the square plate. And the part which is not visual to you, you can remove it. The another example is isometric projection of a sphere or hemisphere. So the front view of a sphere is given to you. Okay, so sphere, when you see the sphere, the front view of a sphere is circle. The similar way, you can say the top view of a sphere will be also the circle. Okay, so if I want to draw the isometric projection of this particular uh, object, okay, so you know this is how I will look the object to draw the isometric projection. This is called the iso direction. This part I have told you not exactly, but when we are seeing the definitions of isometric lines, isometric projection, then uh, I drawn the axis D, L and H. So that axis I had drawn when I was looking the object from the iso direction. How? This was your, suppose this is your cube. Okay. If you look at it from the front, it will look like a square. Okay. Now suppose there is a one corner point. Okay. There are four corner point at the base and four corner point at the bottom. Okay. So uh, you can take any corner of the cube. Okay, I am taking this corner. I am looking this corner at the this side. Okay, so how the square will this cube will look like? It will look like a uh, shape like this. Okay, this is your front portion. This is your front view. This is your side view. This is your top view. And the dash line is showing the portion that is at the back of the cube. Okay, and this point is nothing but this point. Okay, so you are looking at the cube from the iso direction, then the cube will look like this. Okay, the similar way I am looking at this object from the iso direction. So how it will look like? Okay, so Suppose you radius r is given. Okay, if you